These pogo stick videos are going mega viral right now, and the best part is they all look almost exactly the same. Just take a quick look at this Instagram account called No Sleep Lounge. Their top-performing video hit over 140 million views, but they also have another very similar video with 74 million views, plus many more videos with millions of views. Let me quickly show you how you can recreate these videos in many different locations using one AI agent. Have a look at what I was able to create in less than 5 minutes. So first things first, you need to go to this website called Runable. I'll leave the link in the description below. First, hover your mouse over the bottom left corner and click Settings. From there, click Personalization. Then make sure GPT Image 2 is selected for image generation and Seedance 2 is selected for video generation. Once you've done that, close the settings window. Now you need to paste this master prompt. I'll leave the link in the description below. Keep in mind that this prompt includes just 5 different locations, like Tokyo, San Francisco, Paris, and Dubai, but you can add as many as you want, 10, 20, or even more. Now all you need to do is paste the prompt here and click this button. The AI will do the rest. It will generate 5 different images and the first video. The AI agent will then ask if you're happy with the images and the first video before continuing. I built it this way so you don't waste credits. If you don't like any of the images, you can simply ask the agent to regenerate that specific one before creating the remaining videos. Once you're happy with the 5 images and the first video, just tell the agent to continue and it will generate the rest of the videos for you. And that's pretty much it. Once the AI finishes generating everything, you'll have multiple viral pogo stick videos ready to post, all filmed in different cities using the exact same workflow. The whole process only takes a few minutes, and you can always add more locations if you want even more videos. Let me quickly show you a few of the results I was able to create using this exact AI agent. And just like that, you've got your viral videos ready. You'll find the website link and the master prompt in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.